In this video, I will show you exactly how to set take profit and stop loss on Binance exchange for sports trading. So let's continue. This is Binance interface, the exchange, and to set take profit and stop loss for any currency, any coin on Binance exchange. The first thing you need to do, we need a particular coin. So let me use SRP like I used my previous video. I think I use SRP also. Let's use SRP. SRP spot SRP USD. Okay, perfect. So buy, because for us to sell we need a coin. We need SRP itself. So this is buy. So you can see we have market order. So for us to use market order, if you click on the market, you see a drop down list. I will go through the important ones there that you need to know on how to use. Then the rest we'll cover it later on. So, but for the for market order, it means if you want to sell your coin or your token right now at the current market price, then you will use market order. For example, let me show you. Let me have a coin, because for you to use market order to sell your coin, you need to have that particular coin already. Maybe you've bought it in the past and you want to close it for take profit, and the likes. So let me use buy like 20. So I already have it already now. I bought 20. So I can go to sell. If I'm using market order, if I want to sell this SRP, it's going to sell for me at the current market price. So I can choose to sell everything 100%. I just bought, or I can choose to sell just 50%, depending. You can just drag this. So let me sell 100%. So that's all. You can see it's sold already. Market, if you check the book, my trade, you can see I bought one, I sold it. So instantly, because it's market order. Now let's assume, now let me buy the coin again. Don't forget, you want to set take profit or stop loss. So because we are dealing with spot trading, you must have a coin already. So let me buy it again, just to show you guys the next one. Let me buy it again. Okay, so now let's click on the next one. That's for market order. The market order is for instant execution at market price. So then the next one, you can use limit. The limit is basically setting a particular price. Currently the price of SRP is at 1.33. Then I can set it that, okay, if the price of SRP should reach maybe 1.4 or 1.2, take me out or take my profit, depending on the price you put it. So, but instead of doing that, I would say use stop limit. Based on experience, to me, limit sometimes fails, in the sense that you might put a particular price, but it goes ahead and use another price. So I don't like stop limit. So I won't recommend it, but you can use it. It works sometimes it doesn't work. So I will use stop limit instead. So what does stop limit means? So it's going to ask for two price. So let's assume now to set take profit. Assumption. But I'm starting take profit for this coin. Don't forget, I already bought it. So let's assume that my take profit is 1.5. I will just put 1.5. I will change it to sell. Don't forget, sell 1.5. Repeat the price again, 1.5. Then drag this 100%. Don't worry, just ignore this. If you click it, it's going to change the counterparty. Just ignore it. So you repeat the same price, then drag it depending on how many percent you want to sell. I'll use 100%. Then click on sell. So you can see total is 15, 22 USDT and 2.5. So that's like maybe like 10% increase. So sell. So when you click on sell, it's going to pend, because the price has not reached the actual point, because I put it to be 1.5. That once the coin, the SRP, gets to 1.5, the trade should close and take my profit, even if I'm not in the market. So that's what it means. So whenever SRP gets to 1.5 that I put it, is going to close my trade, even if I'm not available. That's the take profit. You can also use the same thing to set stop loss. Maybe once SRP falls, currently is at 1.33. Maybe if it falls to 1.0, I don't want to be in the market. Repeat the same thing 1.0, repeat the same price 1.0, and then 100%, and then sell. So whenever we can see at 1.0, whenever SRP gets to 1.0, take me out. I don't want to be this trade anymore. So that's what it's going to do. So you can use the stop limit to set the stop loss and also a take profit. Well, you have to choose either you are setting take profit or stop loss. But why the OCO, the last one, we also have trailing stop and the likes, but the one that is also important for you to know, because these are a lot of stuff I can cover it, but I would say you just need something that will work for you and that will do the job. So the next one is OCO. OCO, you can set both take profit and stop loss at the same time. That is the meaning is one cancel the other. If you set a take profit and stop loss, anyone that comes before each other will cancel the other order. So that's just what it means, OCO. So you can see once you choose OCO, if you click it and choose OCO, one cancel the other. You will see a take profit price and a stop loss price. So now let's use that same price. Let's assume now my take profit price is 1.5, like I used initially. I will put 1.5. If my stop loss price, let's assume it, I want to be 1.0, like I use 1.0, stop loss 1.0. The sell limit, repeat the same price, 1.0. Then, depending on how many you want to take profit or sell. So 100%. So once you click on sell, okay, let's see, what's the issue? Did I sell it? Oh, sorry. I need the reason is because I still have a pending order. So all my SRP is not there. So let me cancel this. So I should have an SRP now. So yeah. So I'll increase it so you can see 22 point something. So then you sell it. Once you sell it, you can see two orders. You see one at 1.0. The 1.0 is my stop loss. If price drops to 1.0, I don't want to be in this market. Why the other one 1.5 is my take profit. If price should reach 1.5, take profit, help me to take the profit. So that's just basically it. It's very, very straightforward and very, very simple. Like, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe now, subscribe, and to put on the notification to get more video like this. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.